What's up guys and welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to revoke your Discord invite link. Hit like and subscribe if this guide helps you. First, what you need to do guys, just log in on your Discord. When you open Discord like me, go here on your Discord server and go here on server settings and go here down to invite us. And you will see here all your Discord invites. All what you need to do to revoke your invite, just find your link or find yourself. When you do that, just click this X like me and that's it all. If you have like me much invites, just go and X them like me. And that's it guy all for Discord invites and how to revoke them. Share with your friend if this guide helps you and turn the bell on. I see you next video. Bye guys. Welcome to our Discord.